In this video, I'll show you a new way of creating smooth text animations in Premiere Pro. Begin by selecting the type tool, add text, and adjust it to your liking. Then open Effects window, search for Text Animator, and add it to the start or to the end of the text layer. Then move the playhead slightly forward to see what's happening. Then select the animation that we've added by left-clicking on it. Then in Effect Controls, scroll down to the Animation Controls and set horizontal spacing to 0, horizontal zoom to 0, and vertical zoom to 0. Then increase the second value for the push position to 200. This will make sure that the text animates from the bottom to the top. Then scroll all the way down to the motion blur and adjust it to your liking. I'm going to set mine to 50. Then scroll back up and we're going to adjust the velocity of the animation. I like to keep ease in at 0 and set ease out to 100. Also set distribution to 50% to get a nice and even animation. This will make sure that the animation speeds up at the beginning and then it slows down smoothly at the end. So this is our final result.